Here we want to find the least common denominator of 1 over 6y and 3x over 4y minus 12. Step 1 is to factor both these denominators. So we're really looking at, well, this is 6y, nothing changes there. Here we can factor out a 4, and we have y plus 3 left over. Okay, and the least common denominator, you can think of it as the smallest polynomial, I guess, yeah, polynomial that includes all the terms in these denominators. And the way you find it is you start with the first, okay, 6y. And then you say, what must I add to make sure I include the second? And we'll just go term by term. So here's the next term. Well, does 6y include a 4? Does 4 evenly divide it? Well, no, it doesn't. So how do we need to increase this? We need to make this bigger so that it can be evenly divided by 4. Or we say so that it includes 4. 6 doesn't include 4 because you can't divide 6 by 4. Okay, so what if we go up to 12? Now let's go to 12y. Now 12y includes 6 and 4. If we just multiplied 6 and 4 together and got 24, that would be a common denominator, but it would not be the least common denominator. So you don't want to go overboard and just start multiplying everything together. You want to find the smallest number that both 6 and 4 divide. So I just kind of thought about the numbers that, I guess thought about the multiples of 6, 12, 18. Thought about the multiples of 4, 8, 12. Oh, and they both had 12. So I went up to 12y. Okay, now we continue. Now we go to the next term. Does our LCD include y plus 3? No, it does not, right? It has a 12 and a y, but it doesn't have a y plus 3 term. So I'm now going to add that in, y plus 3. Okay, now our denominator contains every single denominator in this previous list here. Our new LCD contains 6y, 4, and y plus 3. So this expression here is the least common denominator. Let's try another one. In this example, we have negative 6 over x minus 1 and 4 over x plus 5. We need to find the LCD. Okay, so sometimes it's not so bad. You just look at the first denominator, add that in, okay, x minus 1. And then you look at the second denominator. Well, that's not included. X plus 5 is nowhere included in here, so we add it in. That's all there is to it. Right now we have something that includes x minus 1 and x plus 5.